Hello everyone. Today in this video we will see how to download the software named as Alteryx. Basically this Alteryx is an data cleaning tool, or it is also used as a data blending tool. So we have typed alteryx.com in this particular URL. We have typed this in this particular search engine space which we have provided. So alteryx.com we have typed and we have got this particular website. So over here you can find out products. Just go to this particular product, click on this particular designer. Now click on this particular designer. Now it will redirect you to Alteryx design. So which software we have to download is nothing but Alteryx designer. So the free trial version, previously it was available for only 14 days, so now it is available for 1 month. So it says over here start a free trial. Click on this particular start a free trial. So we have to just click on this particular start a free trial. Now it will take you to another window in the same section only. What we have to do, the site is particularly using this particular cookies. Yeah. So over here, whenever you want to download a free trial version of Alteryx, so you have to fill this particular form over here. So it says over here that if you are a student or a tutor, you have to click over here. Else you can write your information, your company name, business email ID, your domain email ID, phone number, role. You have to click on this particular check boxes and you can just click on download now. So a .exe file is going to download over here. I have downloaded this particular software. So how does it look like? I will just show you. So this is basically Alteryx software which I have downloaded, and this is the latest version of 2021. So I'll take you to this particular Alteryx software. So over here you can find out this particular Alteryx software. I'll just take you to this particular, so you can find out over here Alteryx Designer 2021.1 64-bit software is there. So you can just click over here, you can see it, the properties where it is being downloaded. So it's basically an exe file, so it is kept in C drive. So I'll just take you again to this particular website. So you have to just click on that particular exe file which is being downloaded. You have to click on run, next, and whenever two options are going to appear, you have to click on the first option, then you have to click on next, and then you have to click on finish at the end. So whenever you will be finishing all the process, so this type of window is going to appear. So it says over here start here and by default it will be a new workflow. So whenever you have to take the data, you have to click on this particular input data. So this will be I'll be discussing this particular how we have to import the data, which type of data can be imported in this particular window of this particular Alteryx. So this will be discussed in the next video. Till then, I guess you have understood this particular thing, how to download Alteryx. That's it for this video.